Making plans. Let's socialize in English. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting part of conversational English, making plans for socializing and attending events. Specifically, we'll focus on discussing availability and preferences. This is a vital skill, not only for socializing but also in your professional life. It allows you to comfortably plan activities with friends, family, and colleagues. The first step to making plans is checking everyone's availability. Here, we generally use questions. Let's go over some common ways to ask about availability. Are you free on? Here you can insert the day or date. For example, are you free on Saturday? Do you have any plans for? You can use this when you're not sure if the person has scheduled something already. For instance, do you have any plans for the weekend? When are you available? This is a more open-ended question, giving the other person the flexibility to offer their free time. Remember, when answering these questions, you can say, yes, I'm free, or no, I have plans, or provide specific dates and times you're available. Once you've figured out when everyone's free, the next step is deciding what to do. This is where expressing preferences comes in handy. Would you like to? Or, how about? These phrases allow you to suggest an activity. For example, would you like to go to a movie? Or, how about we check out that new restaurant? I'd prefer, or, I'd rather. If you want to propose a different activity or time, these phrases are useful. For instance, I'd prefer to meet in the evening. Or, I'd rather go for a walk in the park. It's essential to respect everyone's preferences when making plans, so don't hesitate to express yours. Finally, after discussing availability and preferences, it's time to confirm the plans. It's important to ensure everyone is on the same page. So, it's settled then, we'll meet on at. This helps confirm the date and time. For example, so, it's settled then, we'll meet on Saturday at 6 p.m. Just to confirm, we're going to. This verifies the activity. For instance, just to confirm, we're going to the new Italian restaurant, right? You've now successfully made and confirmed plans. And that's a wrap. Making plans is an integral part of socializing in any language, and hopefully, this lesson will help you navigate planning social activities in English more confidently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases and structures in your everyday conversations. Happy socializing, and see you in the next video.